Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my new video. So Eid is very near, so let's make an Eid card today. So you can give it to your siblings, parents, friends, relatives as you wish, and whoever you give this to will be filled, his or her heart will be filled with happiness, especially if they are a child. When I was little, I used to give everyone Eid cards, even handmade ones. My younger sister would have been very happy, but even though my craft wasn't that good then, but still I used to give it to everyone. But I was little that time, so I thought that it was good. But when I see the pictures of previous days, uh, I see that it was not much good. So for this, I'm making a card today. You can gift it to anyone you wish. But now I don't give it to anyone anymore. But now I give birthday cards. I remember once before Eid, I made a lots of Eid card. I gave Actually, I made them for giving it to my friends and teachers. Then after opening our school, I gifted to them. So you can follow this process to make Eid cards. You can do the same thing, but when I was little, then I used to give, but I don't like to give it now. So I'm cutting an Eid Mubarak. You can follow the style I wrote. Then here I am writing a wish for the for whom I will give it. So for you better understand, I'm telling the wish that it is wish you a very happy and peaceful Eid. So I wish you guys a very happy and peaceful Eid. So it's done. You have to stick it in this way. I hope you can understand the process. If you not, then please write in the comment. I will try to give another video on it. So now I'm taking a blue paper and cutting it the size. So now I'm decorating it. I'm using dots in the sides of the blue paper. Now I'm using another font to write it over again here. You can write here anything like here is your salami or like this. Oh, one thing more. I had short videos on my YouTube channel where I have posted Eid curds and Eid salami curds. So from there you can watch Eid salami curds, how to make them. But this one is not salami curd, it is just normal Eid curd. So if you want Eid salami curd in this long video, then please write in the comment. I will try to give a video on Eid salami curd in long video, because in short video sometimes it is difficult to understand how to do it, but in long video these problems do not arise. So now I'm sticking it in the first card. I try to show you detailed process on how to make this card. So now I'm using a purple glitter paper here, and I made star and moon here. Each card is, I guess, incomplete with this moon and stars. So now I'm decorating it. And I used another paper on the top because you can see the shape is not good. Now I am using another moon and star for the front page, and I used blue glitter paper here. You can use any color glitter paper, but I guess golden one is better, but I don't have golden glitter paper, so I use this paper here. Now I'm decorating the front paper. I guess these are lanterns. I'm not sure. So I try to show you the detailed process. If you don't understand anything, please write in the comment. I'll give another video on it. So now I'm writing Eid Mubarak again here. Also, you can comment for how to write in this font. I'll show you in details how to write Eid Mubarak in this way, because I make the speed faster here, because I think you'll be bored by seeing how to write it. So now I'm coloring the lanterns. It is almost finished. So done. You can see the final result. Uh, it is so beautiful, I guess. You can gift it to your parents, siblings, teachers, friends. They will be happy by seeing it. So thanks for watching. Bye.